Hi, I'm Jordan Fournier, Product Manager at Blum US. Today I'm going to walk you through how to attach box covers to your E-Height MERIVOBOX drawer. As you can see, I've already assembled this E-Height MERIVOBOX drawer. To learn how I did that, I encourage you to watch our MERIVOBOX M-Height drawer assembly and installation video. We'll include the link to that video in the description below. And don't worry, even though we use an M-Height MERIVOBOX drawer in that demonstration, we included all the necessary info for how to assemble and install an E-Height MERIVOBOX drawer as well. Along with our assembled E-Height MERIVOBOX drawer, we also have our box cover set and our corresponding design elements. We'll first want to attach the box cover set to our design element. Then, slide the front of the box cover over the top front fixing bracket and press down until it's flush with the drawer profile. Finally, clip the back of the box cover set onto the rear fixing bracket. To remove the box cover, simply press the tab on the back to lift the box cover up and away. If you have any questions about MERIVOBOX or any of our other products and services, please visit our website at blum.com. If there are any videos you would like to see in the future, please let us know in the comments below.